Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Guys, welcome back to the channel guys. Today we'll show you how to remove and replace battery on a smart car. This one specifically is a 2008, but it will be the same from 2008 all the way in 2015 I believe, that generation. You can see battery is a little bit dead on that thing. Okay, it doesn't want to start. So we're going to open the passenger door now. And you can guys find more information if you need for anything, all the tools we use and stuff on our website, Mechanic Lifestyle. So the battery is located under the floor mat right here. You will see now in 1 second exactly where it is. Okay, right here. You can see we're just going to pull that carpeting piece out. Okay, and we have that styrofoam piece that comes out only in one angle. Okay, right there. This is where your spare tire kit is located as well, on the front. And this is the battery guys, right there. So now we need to go ahead and remove it. For that purpose we will need a 10mm. Okay, to disconnect the ground wire now, the negative, and then we'll disconnect the positive. We'll need to remove that cap and just disconnect the positive as well. Okay, right there you can see where the bolt is. Okay, this one is out of the way. Now with a 10mm we'll need to remove the bracket that holds the battery down. Always make sure you install this one. Okay, then that is almost out of the way now. Now we need to go ahead and remove that one. You just slide it. Okay, you see how it goes up and pull it out. Slide it over the right side. And now we'll need to pull it out gently. It's heavy. Wear gloves guys, because if there is acid you're gonna get it on your skin. You need to make sure you don't break a cable or something there. And it's a very tight fit as well. Okay guys, and this is the battery right here. So you install it guys. We'll show you in a little bit how to put everything together. So stay with us. Okay guys, so we get the other battery now. And we need to carefully, gently use gloves again. Never do that without gloves. Okay, we need to install it in the spot there. Okay, you need to make sure you don't pinch something somewhere. Okay, we need to install, that's the breather hose. That's in case acid comes out, it's gonna leak out of the car, not inside. Okay, so you need to press this one in all the way. Okay, just like that. Now we need to move it around. We need to install the bracket. So you can see where it goes. It needs to go in an angle, up first. Like that. Then you need to get the wires out of the way and we can just go ahead, okay, and get it in there. Okay, we're going to connect the positive and we'll see if we can get it tight from this side. We got this one tight, and now we're going to install the negative cable as well. That's the ground wire. Make sure that everything is not pinching. Okay, everything looks good. And you can hear the music turning on now. Yeah, that's a good sign. Battery works. Okay, we got this one out. Now right here there is one clip. You can see this one, you can install it back there on the bracket. We need to install that plastic cover for the positive cable there. Okay, right there now. You can see, and we're going to install that cover now. This one, guys, goes in only one way, so it's a little bit hard to get it right. You need to make sure that it fits really good. Okay, perfect. That carpet go over the top of it, right here. And the only thing left now, okay, we need to pull that one out of there. You can see we need to install the little carpet now. Okay, we're going to try now and see if it's going to start and if it's going to have any warning lights. Fired right up, no warning lights at all, guys, so that will be the whole procedure. Thank you for watching. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.